Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how clients of a Vagaro business can leave a review. When customers leave a review and attach images, potential clients can get a helpful glimpse of the quality and services that your business offers. Here we go. Once a customer is logged into their Vagaro account, they can click on their account icon and then click Appointments. Now we'll click on our past appointments. We'll find the appointment we want to leave a review for and then click on Write a Review. Up here, you can leave a star rating for the overall review, punctuality of the service provider, and the value and the service at the business. Down here, you can write a review for the service provider and one for the business overall. You can add up to 3 photos to go along with your review. You can simply drag them to this box or click Choose File to upload them. You can choose if you'd like to share your review on your Facebook page as well. Once everything is filled out, click Post Review and your review will be posted. This video was all about posting a review of a Vagaro business. If this video was helpful, be sure to like and comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel to pick up more tips and tricks about the software. Check out the description to follow our social media channels or to start a free trial of Vagaro today.